Wave Software offers a user-friendly platform for financial administration, invoicing, and receipt scanning that transforms business operations. It adjusts to your business requirements with ease and offers real-time information for well-informed decision-making through seamless integration and customization. Let's look at the key features of Wave Software: invoice processing, tax management, reporting and statistics, revenue recognition, income and balance sheet, financial analysis. Let's explore the benefits of using Wave Software: finance management, billing and scannable receipts, order and inventory control, relationship management for customers CRM, automation of professional services PSA, enhanced efficiency in operations, enhanced exposure of business. Meru Accounting has a team of qualified and certified Wave Software specialists. Our experts are well-versed in deploying, modifying, and refining Wave for a range of sectors. We know the particular difficulties you face and customize our offerings to fulfill your demands. Here are the services we offer using Wave Software. 1. Invoice management services. 2. Tax compliance and filing. 3. Financial reporting and insights. 4. Revenue forecasting. 5. Financial statement preparation. 6. Financial performance analysis. 7. Expense management and reconciliation. Wave Accounting serves a wide range of users, including small business owners, freelancers, accountants, bookkeepers, and tax professionals. Partner with Meru Accounting today and elevate your business with the capabilities of Wave.
Contact us now to make better business.